Yes, yeah, man. Look here. Look here, Jay. We got Karam, SF, Cuz dropped a song 5 days ago called Honey Bun. He said it's for his ex, right? That's a diss. Man, he's dissing his exes in the songs, Jay. Now look at Karam SF, Cuz is from Ocean View. I can't say I like all his songs, but I do like certain ones. Someone suggested Codeine Dreams. That song you actually spit gevaarlijk in. I'm not even gonna lie. I heard that when I was like, yo, this isn't bad. I just don't like how you promote all these like Xanax and all these. I just don't like it, but it's just old nigga shit, man. I'm not even that old, but it's just not for me, man. But you know how to put out quality videos and quality, like all you're doing is quality. You know what I mean? Like, find your sound and cap nut. That's all, cuz. Find your sound and cap nut. Other than that, no. If you like his vibe, subscribe to him, like his stuff and all that, because cuz is doing his thing. There's a song with him and Culture Gang. Go listen to that song. There you will hear this man can actually rap. You know what I mean? And if you like it, like it. Facts. If the song is kak, we honest here. As you know, cuz, if it's kak, I can already see the quality is good. Let's see if the rest of the stuff is good. You dig? Honey Bun. Why Honey Bun, man? Did you used to call that? Did she remind you of a honey bun or what? But let me see the thing. If it's monetized, let's look at how I investigate. See, my thing is saying the song is monetized, right? That's telling me the beat. What did I say? What did I say? Okay, so Quavo song's name is Honey Bun. So you rapping on Quavo's beat. See, I knew already it's gonna be a copyright thing. Sounds class both, okay? Sound odd, man, okay? Nice. Why? Got lingo in this beats as well. Let's hear, man. Well, if they say it's dope, then let's hear.
We going viral this year, bro.
You know, focus on doing
Quality, Jay. Quality camera and all that shit. You dig. Am I recording? Before I do a reaction, am I recording this bitch? Yeah. Sorry, man. Yo, I paused it to my day.
Yeah. They say if you dial on what is keki, then the number change. I'll always remain the same. Keki, I will never change. Yes, the vibes that see fuck now it's grim. Yeah, they know the name. I know the game. The ones who lit up in a bang, making moves like Jackie Chan. Yes, I do it super fast. Smoking on that Mary Jane.
I look like it's in Woodstock. Nah, it's not in Woodstock. Cuz you came in liquor, man. Nice.
Bitches all up in my DMs, but I know they fuck the clan. Keki, I don't wanna hang. Used to be with what's his name. Keki, I don't mention it.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Feel like Superman. Bitches all up in my DMs, but I know they fuck the clan. Keki, I don't wanna hang. Used to be with what's his name. Keki, I don't mention it. Cause it ain't important. The only thing that's important is my new pair of Jordans. 23 like him.
Basically saying, yeah, the only thing that's important is to get that money, man. You need to fuck these bitches, you dig? That's what Cuz is saying, you know what I mean? You don't got time for to play games, man. Where's the money, man? I'm also like that. No, God. Focus on getting that money. God, I'm breaking my shit. Nah, I fucks with it so far. Karam, I like it so far, cuz. Yo?
Even watchers hate the way that I take my time. I'm that type of guy. I got partners who love cocaine, so I'm snuffing rhymes. Big stepper, big moves, big mama, big goose, big drama. Had to make.
I like your style, Zay. No, kak, I like your style. I like how you do your thing. Facts, I might not agree with all the things that you say, right? But I like your style, Zay. No, kak, I like your vibe. Stick to you, Zay. Stick to you. No, kak.
now this shit's loose. I can't fuck with basic gunners, I like ones with big boobs. Too much drama, if she's basic, I'm just glad that bitch moved. Sick fuck, can you do something for me? Can you please get this mad bitch from me? Sick fuck, can you do something for me?
Okay, that's from Drake, right? Drake and 21 Savage. Fuck.
Please get this basic bitch from me. Sick fuck, can you do something for me? Can you please get this mad bitch from me? Sick fuck, can you do something for me? Can you please get this basic bitch from me? Sick fuck, can you do something for me? Can you please get this mad bitch from me? Sick fuck, can you do something for me?
And you know what's the dopest thing about this? It looked like us did it so nillers. It looked like the like us just did it for play. You know what I mean? And the quality is there. The quality is there. Nah, Grim SF. I like your style. I'ma say it again. I like your style. Cap not stick to what you do. You know what I mean? Facts. Stick to what you do. And cap on. For sure. But one thing, man. Be consistent, because a lot of these rappers got so much talent, no? I look at him, I'm like, yo, you released what? 10 music videos and you already got like 200 subscribers, right? How long did it take for me to get 200 subscribers? A cock long time. You know what I mean? You almost have the potential to grow quickly, man. But none of you are consistent. No one is releasing, like, but keep the quality also consistent. You know what I mean? Have a well-oiled machine that can put out quality consistently, and that will make sure that you blow up. Straight, that'll make sure you blow up. And look here, man, if you keep busting, look here, man, I'm starting a podcast soon, man. Then I will soon bring you on the podcast and you can promote your shit there also, no cack. But be consistent, man, and just be consistent. But don't put whack shit out consistently. You know, do you feel me? Focus on quality and consistency. You dig? Yeah, man, that's all I got to say. Okay, that's all I got to say. Pause live like a TV, all